do as I do. Put your feet on the floor. What feet? On the count of kick. Kick! The noise you heard was the breaking of this man's heart.
Yes, that's it. Oh.
He's decided to save his own life by betraying his king.
Oh, yes, that's it. Oh, damn my eyes.
Go tell your superior.
This is a wonderful thing. It will mean a big promotion for me.
Go.
Good news is always rewarded.
Please go.
On the other hand, bad news is severely punished.
Now is our chance.
Come on, take my hand.
On the count of 3. I just found it in a good news, and I'm in deep shit.